all you can to make your dreams come true.
Hello. So 18 days. Let's read today's question. Mr. Low saves 20% of his income. If his income is increased by 15%, his savings is increased by $24. Find his income. So I'm going to write down his income now, 100%. Okay. His savings will be 20%. So his income will increase. Yeah, it's increased by 15%. So the increased income would be 100 plus 15, right? So that's 115%. So when that happens, his savings, he will still save 20% of his income. He will still save 20% of his income. But his income is no longer 100%. His new income is 115%. So what we need to do is to find out what is 20% of his new income. 20%, which is 20 out of 100, times 115, his new income, we get 23%. This tells us that if his income is 115%, he saves 23%. Okay, so if you notice, there's an increase of 3% there, right? Okay, his savings increased by $24. So that 3% would be the $24. So 1% would be $8. So we're supposed to find his income. His income is now, which is 100%. And that's $800. That's the end of this question. See you tomorrow.